bacon.
Yeah, this one start with a text. Air Force One, you a gem. Don't two bunches Benz. Hey, shit. Tell me what you're for and against. Tell me what you thought. What do you remorse or regret?
High key, the worst drink I've ever had. Shit tastes like ashtray juice.
Hello everyone. Hello. I'm back. I like to say I'm back. I did go to Manchester. Little weekend in Manchester. Flew Friday evening. Did I? Yeah. Flew Friday evening. Flight was delayed an hour and a half. It's so typical when it's delayed an hour and a half, and the flight itself was only like half an hour. Arrived back Monday morning as well. That was a test. All right. That was a test to see if it was possible to arrive back in the morning. I risked it, but it paid off for the most part. I didn't sleep Sunday, but that was just because I tend to have a really, really poor sleep if I've got to be up early to travel. I think I just have a panic that I'm going to sleep in realistically. I had a good 2 nights of sleep, feeling refreshed. The sun is back. The sun is shining. How about that? I finally got a polarizing thing, as you know. So look at this. I don't like how the gimbal is kind of a bit fragile, and it's okay. It works. It works, and I like that. Friday, I've got plans to go and see Datsko and DJ Too Quick to Groove. So I'm hoping that will be a good event. Also, I am thinking of going to the Galway United match again because I can do both. The gig doesn't start until 11 and the match finishes at like 10. Therefore, I'll have time to do both. Playing against Bows this weekend, this Friday, so I might as well. It'll be the first time going to see them play, I think. I don't think I've seen them play before. And it'll be the first time in that stadium also. I got backstage passes as well. I bought them. I shouldn't say I got them. I'm not up there yet. I got them. So that's something to look forward to regardless. Even though it's in like 2 nights and I feel like I'm just back to my best. Don't know, maybe I did debate going sober, but I'm just not going to do that. I'll have a few though. We're not going to push the boat out too much. It's also possible that Paddy's Day will be in the same vein. Of course, that is Tuesday week, so that's not far away at all. But we'll see. We'll see. You've got loads of time. So speak to you in a bit. Ciao.
Jesus, lads. She's rough, bro. No way, man. What a shot on target that was. It's the songs to sing. Second fucking week in a row, bro. Bang. Oh, come on! Fucking shoot! Come on! No! Fucking hit the target! Mind if I wipe away a little spoons method? Bro, €7 for a double absolute. It's kind of heavy, not gonna lie. It's not like an hour until you to be in the club. And then after that, just chill, bro. Chill. I rate my order, chat. Like chicken breast blocks and vodka pineapple crush. €11. Yeah, thank you. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting this. Like, how are you serving me this shit like this? It's kind of crazy. In my life I was actually kind of sensible, and I left the gaff before it closed. To be fair, it was going to close in like 10 minutes, so I wasn't missing out on much. I figured, you know what, I'm going to go get some food, hopefully some high protein, and go kit, bro. I'm cooked. Heavy.
Alright, it sounds straight, but I don't know if you can tell. Hey everyone, I'm just going to check in now because I'm baking. I'm not cooking for a change, I'm baking. Bro, this lighting is horrible. What is going on? Is that any better? Apple lasagna is what we're gonna make today. Well, what I'm gonna make. I am missing a couple of ingredients, but this could be a movie. And then if it works, well, if it works, you're gonna know about it. And everyone on my Instagram, go check it out, is gonna know about it. So I'll leave you there and crack on. Be an easier way to decor an apple. I don't know what the hell I've done here, but I've just sliced it in through and then just kind of cut it around. And it separates relatively easily, but I'm definitely doing something wrong. Okay, apples are done for the most part. Clearly I gave up on cutting them into rings because that was just way too much effort, so I just chopped them off how I could. Now, it would be nice to add some like sweetener or syrup. I do have honey actually. Maybe I'll add a bit of honey. I'm not sure what that's going to do in the oven though. I'm also not sure how long I'm supposed to put them in there, but I'm just going to put some salt and cinnamon on them. And then maybe I'll do like honey on half and then not on the other half. So that way, if it works, great. And if it doesn't, then we're chilling. And now what I'm going to do is mix up some Greek yogurt with some vanilla protein powder, some maple syrup. I might actually put some rice cakes in it or some corn cakes, as they technically are, to add a bit of a crunch. And I've got the carbs to spare, so no rules, bro. No rules. No rules, bro. It's all jokes. Okay, so the apples in the oven. I don't know how much salt or cinnamon I was supposed to put on there, so I just went with the flow and we'll hope for the best. This is the first time making it, so trial and error, folks. Trial and error. Like, you can already guess that if you're seeing this, it's either came out fantastically or horrendously. If it's just mid, probably you're not going to see it. So that's what we're rocking with. So bowl, Greek yogurt, protein powder, light work really. Okay, so filling is done. It's not very thick. The apples are doing their thing. Not sure if you're supposed to grill them or roast them, to be quite honest with you. Do you grill or roast an apple? Don't know, don't really cook apples. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye on it because you can never trust a grill. You leave a grill unsupervised for 2 minutes, burnt to a crisp. So check back in with me after my apples are lovely golden brown. I'm gonna add some 90% dark chocolate as well to finish it off. Bellissimo. Okay, so I've started to like try and plate this up, but I'm really not sure where to go from here because I was thinking, well, tiramisu is supposed to be cold and these things are pretty warm. So am I best off to put these in the freezer beforehand and let them cool down? Or should I just build it, put it in the fridge? Or should I just eat it while it's all hot? It's like 9 p.m. and I just kind of want to eat this and get done with, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Shit took a bit longer than I was expecting. Oh, what they think about you. I feel like it's missing something really important, but I don't quite know what. It's not really like sat together as much as I expected. I think I needed the apples to be a bit more cooked or something. But that's basically the finished product. I mean, it's called lasagna because it's got layers. That's about it. I'm going to put that in the fridge for like 10-20 minutes. See if that helps the overall structure of the dessert and hope for the best. I mean, it's got maybe like 45 calories, 45 grams of protein. So, I mean, you know, it's got good fiber in the apples. Let's wait and see for the final result.
But could be onto something. We could seriously be onto something. Look at that. That's been in the freezer for maybe 20 or so minutes. I'm not entirely sure. Can we get a bit of action, live action? I'm gonna go down on one knee for you. This is what we're rocking with. So in this whole tub, there is about 388 calories and more or less 40 grams of protein. 40, of course. It's just because it's Greek yogurt and protein powder, so that's what that's gonna do. I mean, I imagine it's just gonna taste like apples and Greek yogurt. But anyway. Yeah, I think I really lost it with the apples. I really probably should have put the apples in longer in the oven or whatever it's supposed to do. I put them in the grill as well. I think that was a mistake. I mean, it's fire, but it's a lot of effort. Like, realistically speaking, you probably could just cut up your apple and eat it. That last bite I had there, the apple definitely was a bit more caramelized, and I could definitely taste it there, so. It's fire. It's low in calorie, it's goodness. Like, if you don't add the chocolate, you save 50 calories as well. So you could eat all that for 335 calories more or less. Like, that's brilliant, realistically speaking. I'm gonna eat this, have my nighttime tea, try and edit some video, cook up some sauce. First book of the year done. Pretty good book. First half is like a story, and then the second half is more the psychology of it all, of just having a meaning. It all makes sense to me, but it's not gave me a meaning. If anything, it's made me wonder what my meaning is more. So maybe that backfired. Next one. This one, I hope it helps. I've listened to a few of his podcasts, Morgan's, and there was one he did with maybe Andrew Huberman, and I don't know what was wrong with Bro's voice or microphone, but he was speaking like this, and it was actually really unbearable. Now, I hope he doesn't have anything with his speech, because I listened to another podcast he did with maybe Chris Williamson, I think. And it was basically the same thing, but he sounded more bearable in that one at least. Who am I to judge? Maybe Bro's got a speech, I don't know. Okay, good night, God bless, hasta luego.
fuck we